Hi, I would like to introduce this new lube oil additive which is called Pedal to the Metal. This additive enhances your engine life, reduces friction, reduces heat and enhances your engine life as well. Now we will show you how this oil works, first with some mineral oil and then with some synthetic oil. And at last we will show you the effect of our special oil which is called Pedal to the Metal. This is the test motor where we add a test piece which is a hardened steel roller pin which we are fixing here. This is a system of leverage. This is about 1.25 kilos and the weight that is added on to this pin due to the leverage is about 15 times. So we are looking at a 15 kilo weight due to the leverage action here on the roller. Now we will show you when we add mineral oil into this little sump which will lubricate the pin and the roller. So now I add the mineral oil. So now you can see that the roller is sitting in the lube oil sump, and as it rolls the oil will come up and also lubricate the pin. And I will switch the motor on now, and as you can see, you can also look at the amperage that the motor is taking. Now I switch it on. This is where the friction is taking place. It also gets hot here. I will add 1.25 kilos more. As you can see, the amperage is increasing here. That means the load on the moving part is increasing. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4, and it stopped. So now the motor has stopped on overload. Now we will switch it off and then use the other oil. I now add synthetic oil into the sump. I would like to show the damage on the pin. As you can see that there is a groove on the pin. That means this is damage to your machine part. So now we are using synthetic oil. We start with again the minimum 1.25 kilos. I switch on the engine now, the motor. So now since it was stopped on overload, we reset it and start it. As you can see, it is now taking about 1.8 amperes. Now add the first weight, the second weight, the third weight, and the motor has stopped. It is hot to the touch, and I will show you the damage on the pin. As you can see, there is a groove that has appeared on the new roller pin. Now we will show the effect of our special oil additive from pedal to the metal on this roller. I will turn the roller so the damaged portion is now on the other side. This is the damaged portion. I now put it in the opposite direction. I will remove this synthetic oil and replace it with our special additive. Now we are ready with the special oil from pedal to the metal, and now we will start the motor again. As you can see, it's about 1.6 amps here. I will add the first weight. The amperage is 1.8. I add the second weight. The amperage has not changed. I add the third weight. There is no load on the pin because the friction has been completely minimized up to 99%. This is the fourth weight. There is no change on the amperage. As you can see, this oil works on a molecular level on the pin, thereby reducing friction almost up to 99%, completely protecting metal parts on a nano scale. So this is the effect of pedal to the metal lubricating oil additive. Thank you. Now I stop the motor. I can also put some more weight on this with my hand to show you that the friction is almost negligible in this situation. Even though I am putting much more weight than physically possible for the motor, I am still able to run the motor without any noise, without heat, without any friction. Now we will stop this. Now we will remove the sump. we will remove the sump and add water to the oil. This is to show that even in the even in a situation where oil is mixed into your water and oil have mixed in your machine, we can still run this without any problem. So now this is a mixture of oil and water. Since we have already used synthetic oil earlier, now this pin and the roller have both been treated by the special additive from pedal to the metal. Now we will show you with the addition of water also that this roller pin does not get damaged. Now I switch it on. With all the weights, without even removing the weights. So it still runs at 1.8 amps without any damage, without any noise and heat. It can run like this continuously without any problems as long as the oil is being treated earlier. Now we will show you without even oil how this metal which has been treated behaves. We will remove the entire oil sump which had the water as well. And run it without any oil. That means now you can run this machinery which has been treated without even lubricating oil. I will switch it on now to show you with 1.25 kgs. Amperage is 1.7. I add one weight, two weights. This is without any oil or any lubrication. I add the third weight. There is no change in the amperage, no change in the noise or heat. As you can see, I have added all the weights that I have, and I can also put my hand on it, and yet the motor doesn't stop on overload. And there is absolutely no change in the amperage that the motor is taking. Now I switch this off. And I will show you that in extreme conditions, that means in dusty conditions, in places like in the desert where extreme temperatures and conditions are very dusty, we will show you how this oil helps. Say you have even sand in your oil, in the lubrication system. Now we will put the sand into this oil, to show you that this very serious situation where even sand has gone into your oil, we will show you how a machinery can run without damage despite sand having gone into the oil. Now this pin is already treated, the roller is treated. So we start again with 1.25 kilos and I switch the motor on. The pin is treated and the roller is treated. Now we have sand in the sump. As you can see, now the sand is coming up on the roller and the pin. Despite that, there is no change in the amperage. Now I add weights to it. As you can hear the sound of the sand getting crushed in the oil, but there is no change in the amperage. That means there is not much friction despite the sand. I add weights without change in amperage. I add more weights, add more weights. Despite this immense weight, immense load on this and the sand inside the lube oil sump, there is absolutely no change in the motor function, there is no friction, there is no increase in temperature, and there is no machine damage. So this is the beauty of this oil, which you can use for your cars, for industrial purposes, in the defense sector. This is a beautiful technology which we are introducing to you now. I will switch the motor off and show you the damage, if any, on the roller pin. As you can see, the damage on this pin after having been treated with our special oil from pedal to the metal, and the pins damaged by regular mineral oil or normal fully synthetic oil. This is the damage from the fully synthetic oil, and this is the one with sand and lack of oil, and this is very minimal damage compared to with full synthetic oil, as you can see very clearly in these videos. So this is the effect of our very special oil from pedal to the metal. I hope you enjoy the video. I would like you to call us and inquire if you have any inquiries. I would like orders, and I think that's about it. Thank you very much.